everybody, welcome to another Picsart tutorial. Today, we're teaching you how to create the perfect latte art to go with your morning coffee post. So you drank your coffee before you could get a photo. Hey, we all need caffeine, no judgment here. But don't worry, just create with Latte Art stickers. Let's brew it up, fake barista! Start by tapping the plus button and choosing your coffee portrait. Then select stickers. Search for Latte Art and choose your favorite design. Next, head to Filters and search through the Simple category. Choose a natural filter to blend the whole edit together. Top it all off with a dust mask, and now you've got a piping hot social post ready to go. That's it for today! Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more. Cheers!